I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today, we're going to discuss flash parameters. We're going to go over all the settings, our power percentage, our time, and our temperature, and why it's important. So one of the most important things while you're screen printing, you're using underbase, is going to be our flash. As you can see with the M&R Red Chili D, in our setup menu, we have our temperature. We set at 265 degrees. Since most plastisol starts to gel at 140, and getting into new low cure technology that cures at 275, we're going to be right around 265 Fahrenheit for about 2.5 seconds, which is going to be enough to gel our underbase and ready to put on top colors. Right here we have our timer that is going to be for preheating, so we allow the flash to preheat for 10 seconds to get up to 265 degrees. Third is going to be our percentage of power. Very rarely are you going to run your flash at 100% power. Your typical starting point is going to be about 90%. Then during the print run, you can drop that power down instead of changing your flash time. That way your quartz flash is going to stay on and be consistent and not overheat or time out. For more information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com and follow us on social media.